Hey guys, we are
the Kindergarteners.
Kindergarteners. Growing plants is pretty cool. So today we're gonna teach you how to grow an avocado.
Avocado.
Avocado. Yummy.
Growing an avocado is pretty simple.
First thing you need is an avocado.
If you don't have an avocado, ask your mom.
If your mom doesn't have an avocado, ask your dad.
And if your dad doesn't have an avocado, ask your grandpa.
Are you guys ready? Let's grow.
Kindergarteners. First thing you need is an avocado.
What we actually need is the seed.
Next thing we need is 3 toothpicks
And a glass.
with water.
I like to peel it and clean it because if you wait a long time, all of those green avocado are gonna turn into mold. It should look like this.
Ooh, it looks like a brain.
A brain of an avocado.
And avocado.
An avocado.
You see this line here? This line is gonna crack open and the plant will come out.
Cool.
Now you take your avocado seed and take your toothpick and put it not too deep.
My turn in the other side.
Now my turn. Third one goes here. Super simple.
Avocado seed, deliver an avocado can.
Now we put it in the water.
Interesting.
Fascinating.
Marvelous.
But how long do we wait?
You need to have patience.
Yeah, it takes a long time. But wait, we're not done yet.
Where do we put it? The window is a good place. It's not too sunny and it's not too shady.
So let's sum it up. You take an avocado, you take the seed out, you peel it, and then you stick toothpick, you put it in the water, you wait a few weeks, and voila! It's gonna grow amazing.
This is another one we made a month ago. The avocado just came out. Look how cool this is. Hello, avocado.
It's gonna take a little time, but in the end it's gonna be super cool and you can eat many avocados. Avocado. If you wanna know more about growing plants, then hit that subscribe button. Comment down below if you want to have another plant. And don't forget to like and subscribe.
Like, share, and comment.
Subscribe and help us grow.
Kindergarteners.